everybody, and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my fall home tour. I hope you guys enjoy this video and it gives you some inspiration to decorate your home. All right, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, everybody, so this is my outside porch, and I'm not going to show you all of it because I already did a video on that, and I'll link it up above for you guys. But let's go ahead and see the inside. Alright, so this is what the entryway looks like. So coming forward here on the bench, I just have this Thankful and Blessed pillow, and I got that one from Hobby Lobby. And I also had a haul of all my new fall stuff if you guys are curious kind of what I bought this year and where I got it from. So I will make sure to put that up above for you guys. And then this wreath is a wreath that I just got from like a second-hand store, and I really like the way that it looks, and so I still liked it in this area because this is what I had up for summertime. And then all I did was add in some little, I don't know, I got this from Hobby Lobby and I just snipped off a few different pieces and kind of just incorporated it into the wreath to make it look a little bit of more fall. And then on top there I have that Fall Sweet Fall sign, and that one is from Hobby Lobby. Then down below I just have this pumpkin. I don't remember where I got that one from. And then over on this side here I just have a sign that's from a local shop here in town, and then that pumpkin is from Dollar Tree. And then over in the corner here I just put this pumpkin, and this one is from Hobby Lobby. Alright you guys, so walking into the living room, on this table here, I just put two little pumpkins, and those are from Dollar Tree last year, and I think they still had them this year as well. And then on my couch there, you'll see my dog, Zoe. And the pillows that I have on there, the two checkered pillows are from Kirkland's, and then the Gather one is from a local shop here in town. But yeah, I love the way that those look on the couch. And then if you come over to this little corner here, on this shelf, which is from Walmart, I just put this little, kind of, it's like a Scentsy thing, but I don't know, it doesn't smell anymore. I got it a couple years ago, but I still like the way that looks, and that was from Walmart. And then on this shelf here, I just have two pumpkins. These are both from Walmart this year. And then on this top shelf, that Hello Fall sign is from Walmart this year, and then the pumpkin is from Dollar Tree. All right, and then I have this little like shelf area here, and I wanted to decorate that, and that Give Thanks sign is from Walmart. And then also I had these already here on this bottom shelf here, and then I just added some leaves for fall time there. Okay, and then on the entertainment center here, I just have this pumpkin sign that says Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes, and that's from Dollar Tree. And the two pumpkins on the side are from Walmart last year. And then that garland, I believe, is from Walmart last year as well, but you can kind of find garland anywhere. So that's that part. I kind of kept it pretty simple there. And then if you come over to the fireplace, I just have these decorative leaves in here, and they actually do light up. It's kind of hard to see, but these were from Walmart last year. And then on my mantle, the garland is from Big Lots, and I actually got it the end of the season last year, and so it was on sale, I think like 50% off. And then the pumpkins on the candles are from Dollar Tree. And then I have this Be Thankful sign, that is from Hobby Lobby, and that wreath is from Big Lots last year. All right, so coming over to this little area here by my garage door, what I have on the bottom shelf there is just a light up pumpkin. That is from a local hardware store here in town. So, I don't know, the place is called Menards. You guys could look it up online. I'm not sure if they still have them. And then in the top part right there, I just have these vases that say fall, and I'll kind of zoom in on them. I did make these myself, and they are just with chalk paint is what I painted the mason jars, and just used stencils, and then I just put fall. And then on the top here, I just have my two galvanized vases, and I kept the same greenery I usually have in there, and I just added those little pumpkin stems in there. And so those are from Walmart. And then I just have a wreath here on our garage door. And then as you turn here by the kitchen, I have this Happy Fall Y'all sign, and that is from Hobby Lobby. I got that last year, but I believe I still saw it this year. All right, and then coming forward in our half bath, I did decorate this. All I did was pretty much on this shelf here that I have from Hobby Lobby, I ended up just putting a pumpkin from Walmart, and then I just put that little pumpkin stems there from Walmart as well, and I just stuck it into my greenery that I already had. And then if you turn the corner over here, I have this vase from Kirkland's, and I have some cotton stems that were already in there, but then I added in these pumpkins, and this was also from Hobby Lobby. And then I also have this wallflower here, and I just made sure to take out my fall ones, and this is the leaf from there. Okay guys, walking into the dining room. On my dining room table, I just have this Be Grateful sign, and then I kept the greens that I already had in there. These are the stems that I was talking about that were in the entryway, and those I got from Hobby Lobby. And then if you come over to this area, I have this little cabinet that my husband built, and I'll kind of show you what I have on there. So on the bottom shelf there, I just have that thankful wreath that we did as a DIY, and then that pumpkin, I do not remember where I got that one from. And then on the top here is another DIY we did, and that one's the harvest sign. And then I have this little tray here, and this is a DIY we did. And then I just put a pumpkin in there, this Hello Fall sign from Hobby Lobby, and then just some extra leaves and, I don't know, these little bubble things from Dollar Tree. And then this is just a homemade wreath that I have, and then our initial on there. All right, so now we're in the kitchen here. And the first thing that I did was just decorate this tray. So I just put some different garland in here. And then I also took, I don't know if you guys are familiar, from the Dollar Tree, they had those cotton stems. And these, I used all the cotton, of course, but all I did have left was the little pine cones and stuff, so I stuck those in there. And then, of course, I have a fall candle going. That's from Walmart. I'm not sure the name of this one. It's still from last year. And then I also just wanted to show you this little stand that me and Carly did a DIY on. I just ended up putting this pumpkin, and that one is from Dollar Tree. And then coming this way, I have this Hello Autumn dish towel. And I don't remember where I got this one from, but it is super cute, but it was from last year. And then over here, I just have this Gather Together sign that is from a store called Gordman's. And then this pumpkin is a pumpkin that I had last year from Dollar Tree. All right, you guys, so that is the end of my fall home tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys are subscribed because there's going to be a lot more videos coming, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!